Recording. What is up, guys? It's your boy Phil back at it again with another video. So I know on the last video I said I was gonna show you guys the car. I will in a second, but unfortunately we ran into our first issue with the car. The car pretty much started having this sound, this clunking sound underneath, and I figured out that it's the end links. So I ordered new end links. So the end links that came with the coilovers, the HKS Hypermax, are very flimsy. From what I researched, everybody's saying the same thing, so I had to get new ones. So I got SPL end links. Good packaging. I ordered these. Let's see this. And also I have a bonus cosmetic change for the BRZ. I ordered this from 86 Speed, by the way. If you guys need parts, yeah, order it from 86 Speed or Subi Mods. Let's see what these look like. And here it is. New end links. Comes in pair when you buy it. Also comes with, seems like, instructions. Yep, yes they are. Instructions. And a free sticker, of course. SPL parts. So I said I ordered something for cosmetics for the BRZ, and I did. Comes in pair. Ta-da! That's pretty much what I got, is the side markers, the clear side markers. We're gonna switch it out, you know. Don't really like the yellow, but the clear ones look a lot better, as you can see. Sheesh. Let's get to it. Yeah. All right, guys, so this is where the car is sitting at right now. Let me show you real quick. Damn. That's where it's sitting at. I feel like I could still lower it. I did lower it already, but I feel like I could lower it just a little bit more, as you can see. Still fit like a finger in there. So I feel like I could lower it a little bit more. It's not rubbing, so pretty nice fitment. That's what it's looking like on the car. So there you have it. We'll probably lower it a little bit more today, so we'll see what happens. But I'll probably lower I'll adjust the coils first. We'll adjust the coils first, and then we'll get to the end links. All right. I'm gonna get started. Skip to the boring part. All right, guys, so took off the wheels already. First thing I'm gonna do is probably lower the car a little bit more, about 1/4 of an inch. But yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna start with that before I do anything with the end links. So we'll get started. All right. What the fuck? All right, so I finally got it loose. So to adjust your coilovers, you have to loosen up this bracket first, and then once that is loose, you're gonna use this part right here on the bottom, not the one on the top, but this one right here, to move the whole coil, so you're not adjusting your spring load. Because if you do this one, it'll adjust your spring load, and you adjust this one by spinning this to the right if you want to lower it, and to the left, to the left, you spin it this way to lower it, you spin it this way to raise it. Alright, let's get to it. Just go ahead and grab your spanner, and then that's how you change it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my spanner real quick. So for this one, make sure you guys use one of these. to mechanical caliper to measure it out, just to make your life easier, to be honest. Very nice. Still the same. I'm gonna drop it about ½ inch. Alright, so I'm starting to run out of sunlight, so I gotta be quick about it. So I went ahead and measured the new links, the new SPL links, with the stock links that the BRZ came with. So I'm about to remove that one. So I'll just get started with that and I'll show you guys after. What is up, guys? So the last clip that you guys probably saw was when I was trying to install the front end links. Unfortunately, I ran out of daylight. I didn't actually finish it till till 11 p.m. Slept pretty late that night. Stayed up doing it, had a hard time with it, but it's all fixed now, and right now I'm currently getting an alignment. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Car's handling pretty well. I drove it to work today and to the alignment shop. No issues, no clunking, so fingers crossed. But yeah, but we'll probably install the clear side markers, and I also got another package for the car. I'll show you guys that stuff soon. All right.